Okay, welcome back. In this video, we will going to learn how to create a new project. So if you want to start fresh or an empty project file, this is what you need to do. So I'm going to guide you step by step how to do that. Let's get started. So first, launch Premiere Pro, then you will see the home screen. Alright, so in this video, we're going to learn how to create a new project. So if you want to start fresh or an empty project file, this is what you need to do. I'm going to guide you how to do that. Let's do it. So first, we're going to launch Premiere Pro. So a while ago, I already launched Premiere Pro. Then you will see the home screen page. It says here, hello again, have a great day. So just a note that you can search right in the home screen. You can search the recent files that you all of the project files that you created, and under filter you can search whatever project file that you can look that you want to find. All right, but in this example, we want to create a new project from Premiere Pro. So to do that, we just need to click on New Project on the left side of the screen. And then you will see a new project dialog box. It says here the name, the location, and we've got 3 tabs here, which is General, Scratch Disk, Ingest Settings. So in the name, you can rename your project file for whatever project name that you desire. Then for location, this is where the file will be saved. So if you want to change location where you want to save your file, just click on Browse. Then choose the location of the folder from the Windows Explorer or Finder if you're using Mac. So lesson file, I'm happy on this folder, lesson file. So I'm happy on this. I'm going to put my new project in this folder. So click on choose, then you're good with the location. Alright, and the General tab, Scratch Disk, and Ingest Settings, well, actually, we can change those settings later on. But for now, we will going to leave those settings on default. Alright, so let's rename our project file. So please click in the name inside of the box. So here, it says here Untitled. So we're going to rename the project file First Project. Okay, please type First Project. Then click OK. So this project already exists. Confirm override. This action cannot be undone. Alright, so before I record this video, I already created the name First Project. That's why it's asking me if I want to override that. So in this example, I'm gonna choose yes. But if you did not create any first project, this pop-up will not show up. All right, so I'm gonna click on yes in this and click on OK. All right. Well, now, congratulations, you've created your first project file in Premiere Pro. So I am so excited to be with you all throughout the lesson, and I will see you in the next video.